Alright, so this is the very beginning lesson of UVs. So if you have knowledge about UVs, this is probably not a good video for you. But if you're just starting out with 3D, this is a really good video for you. So the first thing we're going to be looking at in Maya is, under polygons, we have a box. Okay, the box is a three-dimensional object. It has 6 sides, and it has x, y, and z coordinates. So x being the red one, left and right, y being up and down, and z being forward and backwards. In 2D space, it will have x left and right and y up and down, but it wouldn't have z. Okay, so if we look at the two-dimensional version of this three-dimensional object, we can go Window, UV Texture Editor. Here you can see the same box. It's all laid out in 2D space. So if you were to take this box with a box cutter and open it up, this would be the number one thing you would try to do, is try to get the least amount of seams. Okay? Well, you wouldn't want to cut the sides off if you didn't have to. But if you were to unfold it perfectly, you would get a T shape. You would also, if you think about it, you could also get a cross if you wanted to. Like, let's say I had, and don't do this, just follow along, if you had something that looked like this. Okay? That's also a very legit shape when it comes down to UVs. What you have to know is the fact that the ratio is the same. So this is a perfect square. So henceforth, this would be a perfect square also. If at any one time that this became not a perfect square, we have stretching of texture. Okay? And that's what we want to eliminate. We want to eliminate any kind of stretching, and we want to make it so it's uniformed. So uniformed meaning that it shares the same ratio from here to here. Alright, so we're going to run down a demonstration of what I'm talking about this, and show you exactly, let's say, take this box, bring it into Photoshop, put something on it, and then bring it back into Maya. Okay, something very simple that you can wrap your heads around, and then that's going to take place in the next video. This is the explanation of the very basic UV. Enjoy.